In this video we are going to implement such a cookie consent management banner. I'm using an external solution here. So let's find out how to implement that on our main funnel website. I'm using the Influencer Lifetime Unlimited license. So let's get started. Please click on the little icon for the websites on the left side. Here is my main website. It is called Funnel Builder Tutorial. This is the main page and I want to edit it. Currently it looks like this. We have created that page in a different video. So if you don't have a main page, you maybe want to watch one of the other videos that we have created before. To create a cookie banner, I'm using the premium service for Erecht24 that has a lot of good solutions for German websites. So I will log in. Here is a tools collection. I'm using the cookie consent generator. I have already created a project for funnelbuildertutorial.com. This tool here will create a cookie consent banner. There are similar tools out there. I just have to pick a color, add some services. In my case, I'm just using the Matomo Analytics solution. You can add more services and the tool will create such a copy snippet here. I can copy that now and go back to the website editor. Here we have a little gear icon. And behind that gear icon you can find a lot of different website settings that you can set. For example, you could change the fonts here, edit the background, enable or disable image compressing. But we are interested to insert HTML code. So this is the right setting. Here we want to paste our code and click on save. Please save the page. This will take a few seconds. And now you want to click on the little red door icon here to leave the page editor. Yes, we want to exit. Now let's scroll down. And here we already have our little cookie consent tool. Let's click on the link for the live page to see how it looks. This is my generated banner. People can now click on more, enable or disable different settings like this one for the Matomo Analytics tool. Now let's save and close that. And the bar will be hidden. You can click this little icon to adjust the settings. This is just an example. There are lots of similar tools out there. And in this little video, you have learned how to implement a cookie consent HTML script. And you have done it yourself in less than 5 minutes.